Hola, ¿qué tal, chicas? Hoy las traigo al quiropráctico. La verdad es que tuve un accidente hace como aproximadamente un mes y pues he estado viniendo aquí a terapia para que me den masaje y me acomoden un poquito lo que se me torció, pero les voy a mostrar un poquito más adelante de lo que me hacen, los masajes que me están ayudando bien mucho y espero que este video les guste.
Cross your arms, cross your chest. Keep your legs crossed. Yeah. Take a big deep breath in. All the way out. One more. Breath in. side, face me.
See you.
Is that why you got all dolled up today? So you can be in your thing. A little bit. Oh, what? Good. Other side. So what do you do on your YouTube channel?
A little bit of everything.
Really? Cooking.
Cleaning. Watching
Cleaning?
kids. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What's the name of it?
Just cleaning routine.
Face up. When did you start it?
I opened the account like 3 months ago.
Oh, that's cool. My kids have it, but it's for their. They have one called Ultra Tricks.
Mm-hmm.
Where they do like trick shots and stuff like that with their
Cool.
soccer balls or whatever. And then the other one is like a gaming one. Voila.
Thank you.
Go ahead.